Hi everyone, I'm Azmina and I'm a product expert at Bigin. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a very useful but less known feature of Bigin, and that's Bigin add-on for Gmail. So in this video, we'll be going through the whole installation process as well as how you'd be able to efficiently use it. Now, the first step would be to log into your Gmail and have your inbox open. So I'll show you that in a little bit, but here, as you can see, you can actually find this add-on in Google Marketplace. So the Gmail add-on in Bigin is actually designed to help you manage your Bigin contacts directly from your Gmail inbox without having to switch between applications or tabs. So it's very easy for you to add contacts directly, and we're going to explore more on that in this video. Now, first step would be to log into your Gmail and have your inbox open. Click on the side panel right here such that it's not hidden so that you'll be able to see the plus symbol for getting add-ons. Over here in search apps, we will just type Bigin, where you'll be able to see this icon and then click install. So here you can choose the Gmail account to continue for the Bigin add-on for Gmail. And after you've given the necessary permissions, the installation process will take place. So now Bigin for Gmail has been successfully installed. We can go ahead, click on Done here and close this tab, and you'll be able to see right here that there's the Zoho Bigin add-on. You can either choose to log in to your Bigin account or sign in with Google. So once that's done, you can just open an email conversation. So for example, I've opened an email conversation of an existing contact in Bigin. So here you can view all the contact information and you can even edit it if required. So when you click on edit right here, you'll be able to view all the fields that you have for your contact in Bigin. And then you can just choose to edit it and update the information if required. Moreover, you have the option to view the contact in Bigin, which will open a new tab in Bigin and show you the relevant contact details. Now, if you were to go back, you even have the option to add a tag if required. And right here, if you click on Show More, you'd be able to see additional fields like, for example, created time, modified time, etc. Now let's take a look at how this would be for a prospect who is not part of my Bigin account. So I'm going to click on one right here. Now right here, I've opened an email conversation of a prospect who is not part of my Bigin account. Hence, I'd readily be able to get an option to add them as a contact in Bigin. So if I click on proceed right here, it'll fetch the first name, the last name, and the email, and the rest of the fields I can just fill in to my wish. So I'm just going to fill the rest of the fields. So here it says the contact has been created successfully. And as mentioned before, now you can just view the contact in Bigin if required, all with a single click. So essentially what this means is that your CRM information stays updated, helping you track progress and avoid having to switch between tabs. Also, you could click on the 3 ellipses right here if you ever want to reload or refresh. And you could log out by heading over to Settings and then clicking on Log Out. Over here, you also have the option of getting help or giving feedback if required. Now, if you'd like to uninstall the add-on, you can click on the 3 ellipses right here, click on Manage Add-on, and then click Uninstall. Click on Confirm if you'd like to uninstall the application. And that's it. It's been successfully uninstalled. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this short video for Bigin add-on for Gmail. Catch you soon. Bye.